So I'm gonna get to work on my turkey tractor. I gotta get this turkey tractor done really soon because the turkeys need to get out of the little short chicken tractor because they're gonna get tall. So let me show you the tools that I'm using. I have a hammer, a saw, and I know there are people who are watching this who are laughing at me right now because a circular saw that goes real fast would be a lot easier, but I'm not allowed to use those. And a box of nails, because you gotta have nails when you're building something. I used to have some other stuff, but I'm not using that right now. Oh, and I have a pen, because I'm writing messages to the turkeys on all these boards. Hey guys! I almost forgot. I had a tape measure in my pocket. So I gotta use my tape measure too. Oh shoot, I just ran out of storage. Just worked for like an hour and ran out of storage about halfway through it. And I didn't notice until the very end. So I'm gonna take a break. Okay, we're back. I actually did do some more work on it in between the last time and this time because Mom would not let me take her phone down. So let's do some more work on the turkey tractor. Let's go see my tools of the trade for this round. I have a hammer, a wire cutter, and a bunch of these little hammer and staple pin things that they go on it like this and you hammer it in. And of course, chicken wire, because why else would I need a wire cutter? Hello, sweet boy. Are you being lazy? You been a lazy cat? So this here is everything that you missed between the time that I ran out of storage and now. This is what the turkey tractor looked like when I had finished last time with this arch here, and it was a lot shorter. And this here is what I added at the time that Mom wouldn't let me bring her phone down. So I added this chicken wire right here, this stuff right here, this stuff. So let's get to work. So I gotta get these pallets out before I shut this side, like cover this side up with chicken wire. Got that done. Let's get to work. It's like one of the piggies got shocked. Or bit. I like to clip these in like sections of like every other wire or every third wire because it makes it seem like it takes a shorter time. I don't know why. It might seem like it's taking a longer time for you, and if that's the case, I'm sorry about that. We got a piece to start this work. To start, I'm gonna put it over the top, over this arch, and hopefully you guys can see that. If you can't, sorry about that. I don't think this piece is long enough. I'm gonna have to stretch it out as far as I can and then like patch it. Now you're gonna see what I do with those hammer and staple things. Got this stuff all hammered down. It's not gonna go anywhere. Whoa. So that's gonna be the end of the working because I gotta stop and take care of the animals because I live on a farm. And that's what you do on a farm. You take care of animals. Okay, I'm back to work on the turkey tractor some more before it gets dark. Daddy needs to move it out to the pasture, so I'm gonna see if I can get everything that needs to be got done. So let's see if we can get this done. I'm gonna make that patch now that I was talking about because I need to get that thing completely covered up. Yes, I did.